Hop out with a stick, I love hooping. My nigga like to handle the rock, I love shooting. Put a nigga right in the box, we love cooping. Knocking off these tops, I love roofing. Nigga, you some dumbass nigga, you still roofing. I'm a big dog nigga, so I ain't roofing. Too many hoes to be choosing. Bitches run up on me like I'm gluing.
I ain't with the drama. Am I wrong if I beat a nigga ass? Am I wrong if I beat a nigga ass? These rap niggas be talking so crazy, like I won't beat a nigga ass. My daddy told me take him back to the 80s and just beat a nigga ass. Am I wrong if I call up a bag you ain't never seen? Bitch, I can't make this up, this ain't Maybelline. Baby mama say she having a Mercedes ring, and my outlet just costing him on everything. We'll get out the club, fuck around and catch a hollow trying to mug, ayy. I with the drama, I just want the drugs. I ain't with the drama. Am I wrong? 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 If I just beat a nigga ass. Am I wrong? I ain't with the drama. Am I wrong? If I beat a nigga ass. Am I wrong? If I beat a nigga ass. These rap niggas be talking so crazy, like I won't beat a nigga ass. My daddy told me take him back to the 80s and just beat a nigga ass. Am I wrong if I call up a bag you ain't never seen? Bitch, I can't make this up, this ain't Maybelline. Baby mama say she having a Mercedes ring, and my outlet just costing him on everything. Pop a bottle, we'll get out the club. Fuck around and catch a hollow trying to mug, ayy. Now with the drama, I just want the drugs. I ain't with the drama. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
He went in 136 pounds, and 5'6" tall. He was following you never on the tonight. He's trained at the Iron Fist Clan. It is the reigning and defending 135 pounds.